Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Today is gonna be another special day of unboxing because I'm going to unbox a full set of Skull Panda Laid Back Tomorrow series, which was an old series released during 2022. And by the way, there's a trick on this because the customer service of PopMart emailed me that the full set or a sealed set is not available. So they're going to gather a 9 blind boxes so to complete my order. So that's what I said. There's a trick on this. I might get a multiple duplicate. So as I've said, there will be no fun if we're not going to unbox a blind boxes. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we're going to start the unboxing, let me show you the mother box. It shows here that it's already destroyed because maybe the Pop Mart warehouse just want to dispatch or clean all the old series that they have. And as I've said, I ordered a full set, but they gave me a random blind boxes of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 boxes. So I might get a multiple duplicates with this unboxing. But once again, I really want this series, so I hope if ever there will be a duplicates, maybe 1 or 2 only, and it will be a lucky day for me if we're going to complete set that we have here. So let me remove all the boxes that I have. We have 9 blind boxes here. Good thing that they gave me a nice boxes. It's a complete 9 boxes of the series. Okay, let me put it out everything before we're going to do the unboxing. And we have these 9 blind boxes. So I'm afraid that we might get a duplicates, but I'm still hoping that we are able to complete the series. And they have 9 complete or 9 confirmed figures and 1 secret, which has a probability of 1 over 108. And I really like this series because it's a totally different from other Skull Panda that we have now in the market. And I got interest. I already got an interest with the Skull Panda because if you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed a full set of the Image of Reality, and I found the Skull Panda Image of Reality series very artistic and very adorable and beautiful pieces. So let's see. Let me start with this one, and I really like the packaging. It's very vintage vibe to me. And if we are going to choose my priorities, I really like to get the easy off-roading, the dispatch surprise, the out in the street, and full of sweetness. So also the nasty trail, the one in the cover. So let's see, guys. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part, and let me for the first box, I'm going to open the foil first. But for the second box, I'm going to open to show first the card because if that will be a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil because I'm going to sell that and dish dash it. So let's see. Let's start with our first box. This one is quite light figure. I don't know. Maybe this one is a very small figure, but this one is not available already in the market or in the website of the official website of PopMart. Oops. Okay. Let me make this fixed and visible to all of you. I'm excited with this one. Okay. So this one is not a blind box because I saw like a blister one. See, it's a blister pack. So still, we're not going to open a foil. So let's see, guys. Our first figure from this series. Oh, we got the I don't know laid back. Yeah, Is this laid back? No. Where's the name of this one? Laid back tomorrow, Popcart, Pop Mart. Laid back tomorrow, Pop Mart X Cal Panda. But I can't find the name. Oh, okay. So funny. It's here. Fantasy Route. Fantasy Route 08. Let me show you. And look how beautiful this piece. Look, guys. It really looks vintage, and I like the paint finish of this one. Really looks vintage. Skull Panda is driving, or you know, trying to fly this small plane. If you can see this one, it shows here Fantasy Route, and you know, the wheels are moving and the LEC is moving like this. Yeah, again, I really like this one. It looks like Skull Panda is a pilot here. It shows also the intricate details of the scarf of Skull Panda, like swayed by the wind, and even her hair. It's a blonde hair, and yeah, I really like this one. I just hope that I'm able to complete the series. And what can you say about this figure? We got the first one, which is the Route Fantasy. Give me your thoughts, guys. Please comment down below. Guys, with our first figure, I already got so excited because look how beautiful this piece is. So I'm so excited to unbox them all now and check everything, how beautiful these pieces are. And this one is quite heavy. I just don't know why. Maybe this one is a secret. Oh, so we got the fantasy route. So let's see which will be our second figure from this series. I really like the theme of this one. It really looks vintage to me because even the mode of transportation or the cars or planes that they use here is so vintage. And I'm so excited. So let's see our first figure. I hope it's not a duplicate because this one is heavy. So maybe it's not a duplicate, guys. Let's see. Oops, one, two, three. Oh, let me show you the card. We got the Catch the Moment, which is the number three. I really like the card, guys. It looks like a car plate. See, it's a car plate at the back. Let me show you the piece of art that we have. And it's good thing that they use this kind of blister to protect the item. Wait. Oh, look. I'm not sure what type of vehicle or mode of transportation Skull Panda is driving here. But Skull Panda here has a white hair and she's driving a vintage. I'm not sure if this is a motorcycle, but it looks like one. Like, guys, it's moving. Look how beautiful. It's so cool. Like a good kind of collection, art piece collection with the toys. And look how vintage the finishing of the paint. How beautiful this one. I'm not sure what kind of transportation or vehicle is this one, but it looks like a vintage motorcycle. And it's pink, baby pink one. It shows here future. And there's a windshield in front of Skull Panda. And I like the details of this, like maybe this the machine or the maybe like the what you call that one, the air vent of this vehicle. But yeah, this one is another cool piece. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our third figure. Actually, it's not second. We got the first one, which is the Fantasy Route, and the second one is the Catch the Moment. So let's see our third figure. I hope it's not a duplicate. I'm excited to see the street and the surprise and the nasty trail and the off-roading, easy off-roading. So let's see. This one is a light figure, so this might be a small one. I'm so excited. I hope it's not a duplicate, guys. One, two, three. Yes, it's not a duplicate. But where's the card? Okay, we got the card and we got the. Oh, the one that I like. Out in the street, the number one. Look, guys, how beautiful the art card. Really looks like an ID or a car plate. So let me remove this one and show it to you. Oh my goodness. Look, guys. Skull Panda is so badass here. Like she is driving this vintage motorcycle, like a big bike, black big bike, and there's you can if you can see the smoke coming out on the I forgot the name of this machine or the in Tagalog it's tambucho. Yeah, but look guys how beautiful this one looks really premium. There's like art engine here as a font or as a design as a logo, and Skull Panda is really a badass here. Now I know this one is an exhaust pipe or a tailpipe of a motorcycle, and look how beautiful Skull Panda here. Even like yeah, you know, he's like a badass girl. Like I like the earpiece or the ear bubbles of the helmet. The eyes of Skull Panda here is like honey yellow, and yeah, this one is really cool. I just hope I won't get a duplicate, and I'm so excited to get more. What can you say about this figure, guys? Look how beautiful this is. Please comment down below. Before I'm going to proceed with our next box, guys, just to add up with this figure, look, there's an interaction with this one, like a stand for the bike is movable like this, where you can easily stand the motorbike of Skull Panda. Look, how beautiful, right? I'm so excited with our next figure, guys. So this one is another heavy figure. So let's see. I just hope it's not a duplicate. I will carefully open the box because, again, I want to keep this in a good condition because I can say that this is a rare piece to me and it's not easy to find now. So let's open now. Our fourth figure. I hope it's not a duplicate. One, two, three. Oh, okay. Oh, we got the one in the cover, which is the Hasty Trail. Nice. I'm so excited. Let's see. Look how beautiful this is. Like Skull Panda is driving a taxi, like she's a taxi driver here. And even the taxi car is a vintage one. Look, the detail, the pop car, the detailed paint, the wheels are so good. Look how beautiful the tail light. Like what's I don't know what to say, but this one is so beautiful. Like Skull Panda here, like a beautiful driver. Like look, there's some bandage on her face. I like the finishing of this one. This one is like a clear PVC type. I just hope this one is lightens up, but I'm not sure. Maybe that lights up or not. No, maybe not. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Like I didn't regret getting these figures even though I'll get a duplicate. It's okay. So let's see and let's proceed with our next box and give me your thoughts about this one. Please comment down below. Guys, we're almost halfway through and we're still not getting any duplicates, and I'm so excited to unbox another one. And before we're going to proceed with our next box, I just want to commend the artists of Skull Panda. They really did a very good job creating this series. Like it's a totally different from the other series that they have. Like they incorporate the vintage vehicles from before. So I'm so excited with this one. This one is another heavy figure. Let me show you first what we got already. The first one, which is out in the street. We got the Catch the Moment. We got the Fantasy Route and the Hasty Trail. So we're still looking for the Blue Water Shortcut, the Full of Sweetness, the Dispatch Surprise, the Easy Off-Roading, and the Rushing Out. So I'm getting nervous now because again, I'm expecting or expected already to have a duplicates with this series, but I hope I won't or will be lucky enough to get a secret with this one. Let's see. Oops! Because yeah, this one is moving. So I have to be careful and not move my table. Are you excited with our next figure, guys? Because I am and nervous at the same time. So let's see. This is the moment of truth. No duplicate, please. One, two, three. Up, 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 up. Yes, it's not a duplicate. Woo! We got the rushing out, the number 7. I really like it. Let me show you the figure. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. Like she's riding. Maybe this is like a water car. I'm not sure. It looks like a water car to me because of the design. Um, or maybe an ATV with the design of a duck. Like there's a lot of bubbles here. Like she's sitting on the bubbles, and even the hair of Skull Panda here looks a bubbles. It's a translucent material, and I really like this one actually. I like the how they incorporate a different type of materials with one figure. Yeah, very nice. Don't touch and don't touch. Very nice figure. There's a wings of the duck. This one is so cool. Look, let me move it like, yes. How cool. Like this one. What can you say about this rushing out? Very cool figure. There's a sign of warning on the earpiece or ear bubbles of the Skull Panda's helmet. A very nice figure. I don't know what to say more, but this one is a good quality figure, a highly recommended one, but it's hard to find now. So, what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box, which is will be our six figure, and you know, I'm getting nervous now because I hope I won't get a duplicate. And we get all these figures because I want you to see all of these guys because yeah, these are so cool figures. So let's see. Our sixth figure for today's vlog. Oops. Careful. Okay, yeah. Ha ha ha. I'm so nervous and excited at the same time. Yep. I open it up. Okay, let's see. One, two, three. Yes! Yeah! Yeah, it's not a duplicate. Okay, we got the full of sweetness. Nice. Number 4. Let me show you. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful piece. Look. Look how body is Cow Panda here. She has this like braided long white hair like swaying by the wind with a polka dots candy bow on the top of her helmet, and she has a two colored eyes, one turquoise and one hazel. And I like the vintage motorcycle she's driving right now since 2018. Moto, very cool figure. Oh my goodness. Oops, how should I stand that one? Let me check it first. Should I? It's not standing properly. Okay, maybe like this? Like that? Okay, I don't know how again. Oh, or maybe this one is okay. I'm not sure if this is defective or not, but I don't know how Skull Panda will stand. Like because there's only one stand here, and oh yeah, she can stand like this. Okay, cool. Like that. But you just have to stand her properly, and or maybe look for a better stand. And yeah, I like the color gradient or the color combination of this one. Very vintage one, like the sage color green. And I like it. Very intricate details of the hair. Nice one. What can you say about this figure, guys? This is full of sweetness. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next box, next figure. We have unboxed six figures already, and we're still looking for the easy off-roading, the dispatch surprise, and the blue water shortcut. These three are still missing with this lineup, so I hope it will not be a duplicate. This one is quite heavy. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And I'm so excited, nervous at the same time because I'm still hoping that this one is a complete set. Oops, our seventh figure. One, two, three. Oops. Okay, it's not a duplicate. We got the easy off-roading. Nice one. Oh my goodness, only two left and still nervous at the same time. Oh my goodness, this one is like an ATV car. Like what we have now is like a Hammer car with the big wheels at the back. I like the color of this one. It's a combination of orange and blue, and it's quite shimmery. If you can see this one in an actual figure, I like the eyes of Skull Panda. It matches the color of the car. I really like this one. I actually like this one. It's cool, very cool. Look, oops. Like there's a lot of interaction with these figures. So like she's driving this big ATV. I like the metallic finish of the pipe. Very cool. Nice figure. What can you say about this one, guys? The easy off-roading. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second to our last box, and we're still missing two. And I'm happy that we're not getting a duplicates. Like we only have like 10% chance of getting a duplicate or 50-50. I don't know how we will calculate that one. But we only have two, maybe to 50-50% of chance of getting a duplicate because that's two already. So yeah, we're still looking for the dispatch surprise and the blue water shortcut. Let's see. This one is light. This one is quite heavy. So this one might be the blue water shortcut, or this one might be the dispatch surprise, or the secret. What do you think? So let's see. Let me start with the lighter one. Okay, let me start with the lighter one. Oops. Sorry, Skull Panda. Again, I have to be careful to not move my table because yeah, they have wheels that might move them going down the stand that where they are right now. And I'm so careful with this one, and it has so much glue on it. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oops. Okay. Oh no. Let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, it's not a duplicate. Nice. What we got here? What we got? Oh, the number one. Okay. Wait. 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 Oh my goodness. God! Is this the secret, right? Oh no, don't joke on me. This is the secret. Wait. Oh my God! Yes! Because this is number 10. We got the secret. Oh no! I'm so happy. I didn't regret getting this one. I take the risk of getting this one that might get a duplicates. And look what I have. And look what I got. Oh no, we got the secret, guys. Oh no. Oh no. I can't move on. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh my God. Yes, it is. Look. How beautiful. Coffee Express, Barista, Skull Panda. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why it's like that? Why I'm so lucky? And, oh my God. And there's like, you put, oh, oops, don't drop it. You have to put the kettle here. Oh no, here. You have to put the kettle here. It's magnetized, no? And some glass, coffee of glasses here. And the stand here. Like, look, guys, I'm going to put it down. Set aside two ladies. The master is here. The princess or the queen is here. And look, yes. Oops. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to say. We got the vintage one. We got the. Look, guys, how beautiful. We got the secret. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy, guys. What can you say about this secret? Oh my God, I'm lucky enough. Look how beautiful the color, guys. It's really coffee vibe, a vintage tri bike. I don't know what to say. We got a secret. And I'm lucky to share it with you. And please comment down below if you're happy with me also. Oh no, I can't move on, but let's proceed with our last box, guys. It's okay if I'm going to have this as a duplicate. Look, what's the exchange of it? And the blessing of taking a risk. Look, guys, secret. Oh, secret. Oh my God. So we're still looking for Dispatch Surprise or Blue Water's shortcut, but I prefer to get this one, and it's okay if I don't have the Blue Water shortcut. But then again, if any of these I won't get, I'll find them and I'm going to complete my collection. So let's see. The moment of truth. Hopefully, it's not a duplicate. Maybe we'll get another secret. But again, it's not because this one's heavy. Rather than this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Our our last figure, the moment of truth. I hope it's not a duplicate. Let's see. One, two, three. Oops. Yes! I got the dispatch surprise! What a nice surprise! My goodness. Oh, I'm so happy with this vlog. Oh my God. Look. Look how beautiful this figure also. Oh my God. Look. Look how beautiful and how detailed. Like an ATV, a vintage ATV, and there's an number 8 here. A lucky number for the car. I like the color combination of this one. It's really vintage vibe. And the LEC of Skull Panda on the helmet's moving also. Like, oops, look guys, this one is moving also. Oh, you can move this one. You can put this one here. What a beautiful figure. What a beautiful series. What a beautiful collection. Look, beautiful. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of our Skull Panda Laid Back Tomorrow series, and worth the risk of getting this one, even though they advise me that this figures are random blind boxes because they don't have a sealed complete set for this series. But I took the risk and look what I have. We got our secret, which is the Coffee Express. How beautiful she is, and how beautiful also the other figures. We are missing one. I'm gonna find that lady. I'm going to add her in this collection. And actually, they are all beautiful, good quality figures, worth to collect, worth a collection. But if I'm going to rank them, of course, I have number one, which is the Coffee Express, which, and also the second one is the Dispatch Surprise. I like Hasty Trail as number three. Next one is Easy Off-Roading. Next one is Out in the Street. Next is Catch the Moment, The Rushing Out, Fantasy Route, and The Full of Sweetness. And also the missing one that we're gonna find soon and very, very soon. And what can you say about this complete series of Skull Panda, guys? Laid Back Tomorrow series. If you have other ranking rather what I have, you can comment down below. But then again, I love this series. Definitely worth to keep. And if you had fun watching this vlog, guys, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!